when the candle is burned, there is no oxygen, candle can be burned or not? Candle can be burned or not? Have you seen ever that candle is burning in the presence of oxygen? Without oxygen, candle cannot be burned. So this is also an example of combustion. Yes, combustion is a scientific word for burning. That is a scientific word here, but daily in the normal language we use burning of fuel. When petroleum burn, your cars and vehicles run. Burning of wood, you use cook the food and everything. When LPG or compressed natural gas burn, it means this is also so fuel may be liquid, solid or gaseous form में हो सकता है. When fuel burn, this process is called combustion. Yes, gas also. Okay, I'm just going to share my screen. This is chapter 6, combustion and flame, page number 79. See, during combustion, substance react with the oxygen. When anything while go, you can say that the combustion process and the reaction, you can write C plus O2 is equal to CO2. When coal is burned, it gives flame or smoke. When any flame, so during combustion, substance react with the oxygen and the reaction is C plus O2, that is coal or carbon, you can say that CO2 plus gives heat also. Combustion requires oxygen also. Without oxygen, you cannot burn any candle. Have you ever seen in the practical way or activity burn the candle? If you put a glass on it, after a few minutes, the candle stop burning. It means it will not get any oxygen, no oxygen in the glass. So candle stop burning. It means there is no oxygen, there is no combustion. Combustion requires oxygen always. That is why it is reaction with always oxygen. It gives CO2 plus heat. And LPG gas or petrol, these are the inflammable substance. In the low ignition temperature, all these things, they can start burning and gives the heat and flame. So that is why it is called, these substances are called inflammable substance. हल्का सा ही टेम्परेचर देने पर ही इग्नाइट हो जाते हैं और इन सब्सटेंस को इन्फ्लेमेबल सब्सटेंस कहते हैं. राइट, पेट्रोल, एलपीजी, सीएनजी गैस. So now come on the topic. Let's do the activity also. It is in your book. Let's do the activity. Aim is to know about the combustible and non-combustible substance. The next topic is non-combustible substance, but this activity shows that which substance are combustible. So here we have materials required, a candle or different combustible hai ya nahi. Procedure under the supervision of your teacher. Different substance, only one substance is combustible and which is not. How will you check? Suppose the material you have taken, dried leaves, stone, kerosene, cloth, matchstick, magnesium ribbon, clay, iron nails, paper, wood, straw, cooking oil, charcoal, and glass. These substances you have taken. To check with the candle, these substances are combustible or not. Have you seen? See the screen also. So जब हम लोगों ने activity की तो हमें what you have to observe combustible substance that is stick, dried leaf. अगर आप कैंडल से उसको बर्न करोगे तो dried leaf easily burn हो जाएगी. So these the substance that burn easily are called combustible substance. As what? These are the substance are paper हुआ, wood, kerosene. जरा सा भी आप मैस्टिक लगाओगे और कैंडल बर्न करती हुई कैंडल आपके सामने ले जाओगे तो इट कैन बर्न इजीली ऑल दीज सब्सटेंस. एलपीजी ऑल्सो, राइट? क्योंकि आप बर्नर, आप गैस का, आप कुकिंग गैस का बर्नर ऑन करते हो, नॉब ऑन करते हो एंड लाइटर से उसको जरा सा भी इग्निशन टेम्परेचर देते हो, it will start gives flame. Yes, so these are the combustible substance, the substance that burn easily. So take the material those who are easily burn and cross the material those who are not easily burn. Non-combustible substance, these are called non-substance. The substance that do not burn easily, burn होते ही नहीं है या फिर हल्का सा गर्म हो जाएंगे, right? Temperature आ जाएगा उसको, they do not burn easily, are called non-combustible substance. These substances are stone. Stone क्या जलता है? No ना. Clay, glass, ये केवल hot हो जाते हैं but they do not burn. Iron nails or etc. So cross these substances in the table in front of the name those who are non-combustible substance and tick in front of these substances those who are combustible substance. So non-combustible substance have very high ignition temperature. Has high ignition temperature. यानी कि बहुत ज्यादा जब गरम करो तब जाके वो रेड हॉट होता है. लाइक आयरन, राइट? आयरन को हम लोग जब बहुत ज्यादा टेम्परेचर देते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा फूड देते हैं, ये होता है, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? So this activity, I think you got it. It's a very easy activity. You can see in the screen. Now next topic is combustible substance. Combustible substance का हम already पिछली क्लास से पढ़ा चुके थे. Only few points are left. I am telling you. Complete combustion is almost impossible to achieve. पूरी तरीके से किसी चीज का combustion हो जाए ये possible नहीं है, right? Because after that it gives heat or smoke और कुछ residue बच जाता है. So combustion is not necessarily favorable to the maximum degree of oxidation. It can be temperature depend also. Combustion temperature पे भी depend करता है. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि पूरी तरीके से maximum degree of oxidation हो. Oxygen से react करके that substance will easily burn or combustion process will done. It is not favorable. Different temperature, combustible substance जो I have already taught you. Now to the of oxidation कि ज़्यादा oxidation होगा तो combustion easily or favorable होगा. It can be depend on the temperature also. Next, the three necessary requirements for the combustion. Fuel होना जरूरी है, air and heat. Right, student? The three necessary requirements for the combustion that are fuel, air, heat. Next topic is to put out the fire. आग को बुझाना है, extinguish करना है. The meaning is put out means fire को बुझाना है. The put out fire बुझाने के लिए for the small fire we use water. Water is poured on the substance which brings down it is brought down below its ignition temperature. It is poured on the substance. But don't use student water in case of electrical fire. Can we use a water on electrical fire? Tell me, give me the answer. Yes, student. For the small fire को बुझाने के लिए, to put off the fire, to extinguish the firework, or water is poured on the substance, तो उसका temperature down हो जाएगा. For the electrical fire, अगर electricity की वजह से electrical wire fire हुई है, then we use water. Yes or no? Anyone can give the answer? For electrical fire, we use water. Garima Tyagi, no. Why? Why? What is the reason? No, everyone is saying no. But why we don't use water in case of electrical fire? Asking conductor. Very good, Ayush. Because, yes, because electricity can flow in the water also. Electricity can flow in water also because water is a good conductor of electricity. Right? Piyush ne bola, Ayush ne. Who had given the answer? Because catch the electricity. No, it catch the electricity nahi. Because अगर आप water pour करोगे electrical fire में, because water is a good conductor of electricity, electricity can flow in the surface of water. That is why we don't use water while electric fire to put off the electric fire. Small fire कुछ और लगी है तो आप water pour use कर सकते हो. Otherwise you can use sand also to put out the fire. Combustion को बुझाना है, कोई चीज जल रही है, use CO2 gas. Because combustion के लिए क्या जरूरी है? ऑक्सीजन. और combustion को अगर हमें हटाना है, बुझाना है आग, then we use CO2 opposite, because in the combustion reaction the substance react with the oxygen and gives a CO2. And opposite of that, अगर आपको fire को put off करना है, then, right student? Otherwise we use extinguished जो bottles आती हैं, have you seen in our school also, right? Extinguisher लगे हुए हैं ना हमारे हर building पे. Extinguisher, red color की bottle, we use this to put off the fire. We can use also. So in this chapter, we will also learn the fire extinguisher also. So all these, the point is finished about the combustible substance. Now, non-combustible substance. So after activity, there is a topic non-combustible substance. See the screen. A non-combustible, combustible से उल्टा होगा because non word लगा है. Combustible substance हुए जो easily burn हो जाते हैं, and opposite of that sentence, that is not easily burn. Or you can say that in the scientific language, a non-combustible material is a substance that will not ignite. जो ignite ही नहीं होते, not easily burn, you can say that. Not ignite, not burn, or support to combustion, और combustion को support नहीं करती. कंबशन में कोई सब्सटेंस जलता है. एंड नॉन कंबस्टिबल मटेरियल वो हुए जो इग्नाइट ही नहीं होते, दैट विल नॉट इग्नाइट. इग्नाइट मींस क्या? जो चीज हल्का सा भी चिंगारी देने पे जलने लगी, दैट समथिंग बर्न. So that will not ignite and don't burn and do not support the combustion. So these materials are called non-combustible substance. So ये तो हुई definition. Next point. It does not release flammable vapor when subjected to fire or heat in the form of in which it is used or under condition. अगर आप किसी को अगर आप so here is a screen. So example of the non-combustible substance are cement, concrete, gypsum. These are the non-iron nails, glass, clay, stone, gypsums, concrete. These are the non-combustible substance that will not go ignite. They will not ignite. So this class of products includes Portland cement, right? Plaster, gypsum, as well as a concrete brick. So these are the ceramic tiles, masonry, जो भी whatever it is used in the construction that is not easily combustible substance. Metal except aluminium. Aluminium is classified as limited combustible. क्या होता है ये थोड़ा सा combustible है in between the combustible and non-combustible substance it comes. एक लिमिटेड उसमें जो है कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस होते हैं अदरवाइज ये नॉन मेटल्स एक्सेप्ट एल्यूमिनियम सारे मेटल्स एल्यूमिनियम इज एक्सेप्शनल केस बिकॉज इट इज क्लासिफाइड एज अ लिमिटेड कंबस्टिबल एक लिमिट पर ही ये कंबस्टिबल होती है व्हाट एल्यूमिनियम मैग्नीशियम एंड मैग्नीशियम एलॉय एंड शीट ग्लास block glass and uncoated glass fiber are classified under this class of substance. ये सब जो चीजें हैं ना वो थोड़ी सी लिटिल कंबस्टिबल में आती हैं बट metals except aluminium only. Inflammable substances have very low ignition temperature. जो इनफ्लेमेबल सब्सटेंस होते हैं उनकी लो इग्निशन टेम्परेचर होते हैं जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया एलपीजी गैस हुई पेट्रोल हुआ तो इनका वेरी लो इग्निशन टेम्परेचर होते हैं combustibility is a measure of how easily a substance will set on the fire दो fire और combustion हो combustibility क्या है एक measurement है how the easily substance will set on the fire कैसे easily fire को set कर देती है through the fire or on combustion process. So opposite of that is non combustible substance. तो इस property के base पे substance with low combustibility may be selected for the construction where the fire risk needs to be reduced. जहाँ पर हम लोग फायर वर्क को कम से कम रिस्क पे रिड्यूस करते हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क पे तो सब्सटेंस विद द लो कंबस्टिबिलिटी बहुत ही कंबस्टिबिलिटी हो ऐसे सब्सटेंस को सिलेक्ट करते हैं फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क के if it is combustible resources are used there is a greater chance of fire accidents and deaths also अगर आपने combustible resources use किए हैं बट लेकिन उसमें ग्रेटर चांस होता है एक्सीडेंट और डेथ होने का हम कितनी भी प्रिकॉशंस ले लें the non-combustible material cannot support the combustion and must not undergo the certain loss of mass so while construction or while any where there is a we have to reduce the fire risk we use non-combustible materials so we have to give the take care of that and we have to precautions lene we should take the precautions with the combustible and non-combustible substance. जहाँ पर हमको चाहिए combustion when you use a combustible substance. लेकिन कोई ऐसा process करने जा रहे हैं जहाँ पर आपका by product ही combustible हो, then we have to take care about these process. The non-combustible material cannot support the combustion and must not undergo the certain loss of mass. Condition for the combustion, I told you, there is a presence of oxygen. There are some conditions associated with the process of combustion. First, combustion के लिए एक तो combustible substance होना चाहिए. पता चले आप जो है iron nail और glass ले रहे हो और combustion करने जा रहे हो, so you cannot do the combustion. The first thing it is very understood है कि presence of the combustible substance. हमें condition चाहिए combustion की. See this condition for the combustion. Condition for the combustion. So first is presence of the combustible substance. The substance to be burned must be combustible. The substance must catch the fire easily. Means wood, paper, coal, coke, hydrogen, any fuel, liquefied petroleum gas, natural gas, petrol, kerosene, diesel, alcohol, right? These are etc. some of the combustible substances. तो present तो होना ही चाहिए. अगर when you are just go on combustion undergoes, the condition is first is the substance should be combustible. Second, the presence of the support of the combustion. Combustion का supporter होना चाहिए. क्या होना चाहिए? The main thing is oxygen. The presence of the supporter of the combustion is another condition for the combustion to take place. They are nothing but the substance which helps the combustion of the combustible substance. Combustible substance का combustion के लिए हमें इन substance की support चाहिए होता है. Like oxygen and air are the supporter of the combustion. Air contains 21% of oxygen. Everybody knows that. That is very good supporter of the combustion. By volume, 78 of nitrogen by volume, which is neither combustible nor a supporter of combustion. तो हमारे एयर में नाइट्रोजन भी होती है 78% वॉल्यूम के हिसाब से. सो नाइट्रोजन इज नाइदर कंबस्टिबल, ना ये कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस है और ना ही कंबशन का सपोर्ट करती है. विच गैस? नाइट्रोजन गैस. एंड ऑक्सीजन का तो प्रेजेंस होना जरूरी है बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन इज अ सपोर्टर ऑफ कंबशन. कंबशन का सपोर्ट करती है बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन से ही रिएक्शन करते हैं हम, ऑक्सीडाइज करते हैं, ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन होती है. So this is why the combustible substance burn at moderate rate in the air, but burn at the very fast rate in the oxygen. Combustible substance क्या होते हैं? burn तो हो जाते हैं moderate rate of air पे. हल्की सी air पे combustible substance जो होते हैं वो moderate rate पर burn हो जाते हैं. But लेकिन ऑक्सीजन के presence में very fast rate हो जाती है उनकी burning. So you can see the activity 2. I have already told you. The presence of air, the candle is start burning. You can see in the picture also. To prove that the oxygen is very necessary for the combustion. In this activity, we are showing that our aim is to prove that the oxygen is necessary for combustion. Material required, a candle chahiye, glass, tumbler or matchstick only. You can see the screen. What is the procedure? We have to prove that the oxygen is necessary for the combustion. Burn the candle under the supervision of your any elder or teacher. It burns freely because it is in the contact with the air. हम किसी कैंडल को बर्न करते जलाते हैं मैचस्टिक से तो इजीली बर्न हो जाती है ना. क्या बहुत टफ है क्या कैंडल को बर्न करना? नहीं ना. तो it always contact with the air and it starts burning. Now put a glass tumbler over it. जलती हुई कैंडल पे आप एक ग्लास टम्बलर को उल्टा कर दीजिए over it so that no air enters or air जो है वो enter ना कर सके कैंडल के ऊपर. So we have to observe that the candle continues to burn for some time. कुछ टाइम के लिए within I think 1 minute भी नहीं लगेगा. The candle continues to burn for some time and then it flickers. हल्की सी वो flickers होगी and gets extinguished और बुझ जाएगी. फ्लिकर्स यानी कि थोड़ा सा मतलब जलबुझ होगी और हल्का सा वो करेगी बिकॉज की एयर खत्म हो रही होगी, फ्लिकिंग करेगी, जलबुझ सी करेगी एंड आफ्टर दैट इट गेट्स एक्सटिंग्विश्ड, बुझ जाएगी एट लास्ट इन द थर्ड फिगर, सी फिगर, बिकॉज एयर गेट्स फिनिश्ड एंड नो पासेज ऑफ द एयर ऑल्सो. एयर पास भी नहीं हो पा रही है तो कैंडल इज गेट्स एक्सटिंग्विश्ड, बुझ जाएगी. तो हम इस बात से क्या कंक्लूजन निकालते हैं? This is because the lighted candle uses oxygen from the air. They get oxygen from the air and start burning. When the candle is covered with the glass tumbler in the second figure, the supply of oxygen stops हो गया. ऑक्सीजन का सप्लाई ही बंद हो गया कि आपने ग्लास टम्बलर ऊपर रख दिया, तो थोड़ी बहुत जो ऑक्सीजन होगी ग्लास टम्बलर में वो यूज होगी. विद इन अ मिनट सप्लाई जो होगी वो ऑक्सीजन की बंद हो जाएगी. स्टॉप द सप्लाई ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड कैंडल गेट्स extinguished, बुझ जाएगी. It proves that key oxygen is necessary for combustion. In the presence of oxygen, always the things burn. So this activity already showed that. Next topic is source of heat to provide ignition temperature. So in the previous topic, what should you learn? Condition for the combustion. First thing, the presence of the combustible substance होना जरूरी है. And after that, the supporter for the combustion, and that is oxygen. Is supporter, and nitrogen is neither a combustible nor a supporter of the combustion. So two things are necessary for combustion. Now, source of heat to provide the ignition temperature. What are the sources to provide ignition temperature? Ignition temperature को provide करने के लिए क्या source of heat होना चाहिए? Another condition, ये भी condition है combustion की, to take place in the combustible substance should be heated so that the temperature reach its ignition temperature. No substance can burn below its ignition temperature. कोई भी substance burn नहीं हो सकता है अपने ignition temperature से below point. अगर उसका ignition temperature suppose कुछ है और suppose 100 डिग्री है, तो वो उसके लो टेम्परेचर पे यानी कि 90 डिग्री पे वो नहीं होगा. उसका टेम्परेचर अगर जितना भी आप लो कर दो तो वो उसके बिलो पे कभी भी सब्सटेंस जो है कंबशन की प्रोसेस नहीं करेगा. तो हर एक सब्सटेंस का कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस का एक अपना इग्निशन टेम्परेचर होता है. सो नो सब्सटेंस कैन बर्न बिलो इट्स इग्निशन टेम्परेचर. कोई भी सब्सटेंस अपने इग्निशन टेम्परेचर के बिलो पे बर्न नहीं कर सकता है. कीप दिस थिंग इन योर माइंड. The substance having low ignition temperature are called inflammable substance. अब वो substance इनका low ignition temperature होता है वो inflammable substance कहलाते हैं. So for this, next do the activity 3. इस point को prove करने के लिए हम activity 3 कर रहे हैं. What is the aim? You can see this the screen. To prove the combustion cannot take place below the ignition temperature. I told you this point you have to keep this remember in your mind. So इसके लिए हमने prove कर लिया कि below ignition temperature यानी जो भी उसका ignition temperature होगा उसके नीचे अगर वो combustion नहीं हो सकता है. So इस चीज को prove करने के लिए we are just going to do this activity. Material required a candle or aluminum foil we have take. We have to observe under the supervision of your teacher or any elder person. Lit the candle जलाइए. Put the aluminum foil around its flame as shown in the figure. Aluminum foil ली, candle जलाई, lit the candle with the ठीक है, and with the aluminum foil around its flame. उसके ऊपर आपने क्या कर दिया? Aluminum foil रख दी. Aluminum foils is a good conductor of heat. It takes up the heat, वो heat लेगा candle से. It takes the heat from the flame, leading to drop in the temperature below the ignition temperature of the wax. So the flame goes off. After that आप देख लीजिए कि flame जो है वो बुझ गई. क्यों? क्योंकि जो फॉयल था एल्युमिनियम फॉयल था वो गुड कंडक्टर था हीट का. उसने जैसे ही हीट ली it takes up the heat from the flame leading to drop the temperature. उसका टेम्परेचर क्या हुआ? जितना इनिशियल टेम्परेचर था उसका क्या हो गया? टेम्परेचर डाउन हो गया, राइट? क्योंकि उसने उसकी हीट ले ली. It takes up the heat from the flame leading to drop the temperature below the ignition temperature of the wax. जो wax को जितना टेम्परेचर चाहिए था वो उसका कम हो गया क्योंकि एल्युमिनियम ने उससे हीट ले ली फ्लेम्स. तो below the ignition temperature of the wax, so the flame goes off. और क्या हो जाएगा? फ्लेम ऑफ हो जाएगी. You can see and you can do at home also, but please under the supervision of your elder. कोई भी बड़ा आपके घर पे जो भी हो उसकी प्रेजेंस में ही कर सकते हैं. It is not harm तो नहीं पहुंचेगा लेकिन आप लोग जो है बहुत केयरफुली ये कर सकते हो. Take a small piece of aluminium. So it shows what? This activity shows that कि लो या बिलो इग्निशन टेम्परेचर पर कंबशन कैन नॉट टेक प्लेस. कंबशन हुआ ही नहीं. देखिए वो आग बुझ गई, कैंडल्स जो है गेट्स ऑफ हो गई, फ्लेम गेट्स ऑफ. क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी हीट, उसका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर जितना भी था उसने उसकी हीट एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल को दे दी और वो टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप हो गया, कम हो गया. जितना उसका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर था उससे ड्रॉप हो गया. ड्रॉप यानी कि कम हो गया, बिलो द इग्निशन टेम्परेचर वैक्स का, जो कैंडल की वैक्स थी. एंड फ्लेम गोज ऑफ विद इन अ मिनट. राइट, कंबशन नहीं होता है. और हर्ष, कमिंग बैक टू यू. Yes, students. Time around running out. So I'm coming about any query about this activity. So do I repeat this? We have done combustion, combustible substance, non-combustible substance, and 3 activity we have done. Anything you want to repeat this or got it everyone? सबको समझ में आ गया? सबको समझ में आ गया? I am asking. Everyone got it? So 2 minutes are left. Any question or any query about this chapter only, this topic? Yes, Garima. Yes, Garima. Garima, bolo beta. Yes, Garima. Yes, Garima. Any query? Your voice is not coming. Garima, you can write in chat box otherwise. Assignment अभी publish नहीं हुआ है.
Yes, ma'am.
Any queries? Srishti, Arshit, Deepak, Dev, Himanshu, Ilesh. Raise your hands. Anaya, Ilesh, Karthik. Raise your hands about this chapter. Any query, any topic you didn't get it? Or if you want to repeat any topic, I will repeat it. Raise your hands. Yes, Anaya. Anaya, Arshit. Anaya, Arshit. Naina, Onik. Nandini. Yes, Naina. Anything, any query? Want to repeat?
No, ma'am.
In this chapter, lesson 6, lesson 5 you will get soon in e-portal, right? मैं 1-2 दिन में डाल दूंगी उसको. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
So anything about you want to repeat this in this chapter? Yes, sir. Ilesh. Yes, Ilesh. Ilesh, speak up. Ilesh went down somewhere else. Ilesh, on your video. Ilesh,